All right, we're ready for part 2 of our Sunday bear. We're going to use our fine point for most of this. I will use my ultra fine on just probably the sprinkles maybe, and maybe this little curve, I'm not sure. We're going to start with the curve of the boat. And if you're just joining us and you're like, wow, we're just jumping right in, we are. Because in part 1, I show you step by step how to do this. So if you need those step by step instructions, head on over to part 1 of this video. Your ears. Give her some eyes. Give her a little nose, line down, and then the curve of her face. We're going to add our cherry, add a little curve around it, and then our stem. I'm going to add these toppings and syrups. And our spoon. I'll add my sprinkles once I switch to my other pen. All right, I'm going to add a few little details to even make this cuter. I'm going to add a little highlight to my cherry. Add my sprinkles. I'm going to add just a few little lines around the curves to show. Zoom in so you guys can really see that. It's these little lines just add movement and texture to your drawing. You don't have to add them everywhere. It's just random. I like to add the little lines on the spoon. And then if you wanted to, you could add some details onto your boat. Sometimes they're lined with folding lines, sometimes they're stripes, sometimes they're polka dotted. I mean, I love polka dots, so I think I'm going to add polka dots. I'm going really random with size because I think it makes it more fun. And there's your bear sundae. I can't wait to hear what flavor you decided to make your bear sundae. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can never miss another creative adventure, and share it with anyone you think might enjoy this. I'd love to make more videos with you. See you in the next video.